So, becoming a 21st century educator, whatever, this is the third one we're doing it. यसको theme चाहिँ हामीले small changes big impact भनेर राखेको थियौँ. So, as a teacher हामीले करिकुलममा, क्लासरुम सेटिङमा, क्लासरुम इन्स्ट्रक्सनमा अनि असेसमेन्टमा कहाँनिर चाहिँ हामीले सानो ट्विकहरू गर्न सक्छौँ र त्यो ट्विकहरूलाई चाहिँ युज गरेर कसरी बिग इम्प्याक्ट निकाल्न सक्छौँ भन्ने खालको एउटा एक्सप्लोरेसन गरेर यो वर्कसप हो.
I felt it. I had felt so bad in a class, in new college, where one of my students, he said, "Sir, whatever you've been teaching, that I don't understand at all. In fact, not only I, but we don't understand because the way I've been teaching my students." So, yanira aeपछि मैले के मान्नु भने त्यो ब्रिजिङ ग्याप टिचर्सहरुको लेभल र स्टुडेन्ट्सको लेभललाई कसरी मिनिमाइज गर्ने अनि हाउ टु रिफ्लेक्ट ब्याक अनि त्यो भन्दा पनि नो जुन छ नि स्टुडेन्टलाई बुझ्नको निमित्त फर्स्टमा फिल द फर्म आस्क देम टु पार्टिसिपेट एन्सर योर क्वेशन्स जसको मैले आज एन्सर पाएँ.
Let me say a takeaway for today was connecting. I like that part really much. Let's say how we can connect our students to the topics, and at the end when we wrapped up we talk about integrating it to the different subjects also. So I think that's going to make them learning more fun, more interesting, emerging curiosity in learners. So I think it really takes away the, let's say, topic for today, becoming a 21st century educator.
I was also trying to look at it from an organizer's perspective and trying to see what can be done differently at the educational level to change mindsets and change philosophies. And I really look forward to tomorrow because I truly think these kind of workshops bring in a lot of discussions onto a correct platform, makes us meet people who are like-minded and fosters collaboration.
I'm not a teacher right now, so I want to be a teacher. So, technical kuras really help me understand which I apply because I'm a very fresh teacher. So, these are the technicalities and methods are a lot today.
Obviously, like he said, there's going to be on different projects that he's given us, so we're going to come up with that, and it's just for us also as educators. हामीलाई पनि एउटा proper work दिइसकेपछि when we taught different strategies, do we also display those learning abilities? Do we also do that not just for students as educators also? How do we reflect in these learning processes and also having fun? I think it's just a very nice fun environment where we're all learning together. So I'm just looking forward to a fun day for tomorrow, full of learning.
I felt really good that many teachers were actively participating in so many activities. आजको रमाइलो भइरहेको थियो. Let's see के हुन्छ भोलि सेकेन्ड डेमा के हुन्छ हेरौँ.
Panels